Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with The Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. The daily USDA choice box beef price rallied around $40 per hundredweight through the first 4 weeks of 2014, establishing a new all-time high at $240.05. CattleFax expected higher beef and cattle prices in 2014 based on tighter supplies and mostly steady demand to start the year. However, most analysts did not anticipate an earlier rally of this magnitude in the wholesale beef market. An analysis of last week's average choice box beef primal values shows the bulk of the cutout rally has depended on stronger end meat values. The cutout is currently $21 per hundredweight higher than the same period in 2013. Only $1 of the cutout increase came from stronger rib and loin primal values, while chuck and round cuts added nearly $18, and thin meat primals contributed nearly $2 per hundredweight. End meat values typically contribute the most to cutout values as the industry transitions through the holidays, accounting for around 46 to 47% of carcass value. The influence of end meats then fades into summer as rib, loin, and other grilling cuts become more of a focus. During the recent rally, the end meat primals reached new all-time highs, and the higher values combined for 49% of overall carcass value, also a new record. Smaller beef production supported the higher prices with year-over-year declines of 18%. Demand was also a factor, with end meat wholesale demand 10% higher than a year ago. Daily USDA cutout values have already retreated from the all-time highs. Next week, the cutout has a 75% probability of closing at a lower value. The seasonal trend is that cutout values move lower through mid-February before moving higher through most of March and April. The January highs will likely fade in the short term, but the market may challenge the recent prices in the spring. The fed cattle market was $5 to $6 higher this week. In the South, cattle sold for $147 to $149 per hundredweight, with the bulk at $147. Trade in the North was primarily $148 to $150 live and $240 to $242 per hundredweight on a dressed basis. Feeder cattle values were steady to $3 softer for the week, while calf prices were steady to as much as $5 per hundredweight lower. A combination of drier weather and higher break-evens for purchased cattle curbed buyer interest. Slaughter cows were steady to weaker on the week, and corn prices ended the week lower with little news available to create a significant price trend. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.